Squawkzilla is a parrot, but truly gigantic. Squawkzilla is a parrot that would have been walking around 16 million years ago. It would have stood nearly a metre tall and weighed up to 25 kilograms, and it would have been possibly even carnivorous. It's a parrot related to the kaka and the kia, but truly gigantic. Squawkzilla is one of the famous finds from the St Bathans fossil site over the last 20 odd years. This exhibit highlights many of the fossils that we've collected at this particular site.
So this is the lower leg bone of Squawkzilla, the giant parrot, which will be going on display in the Squawkzilla exhibition space. It is mostly complete, so it will be probably about that long from the table up. A pretty big parrot.
We'll compare the fossils to the taxidermied remains of closely related species such as the kiwi. At the St Bathans fossil site we have species that most wouldn't expect, such as crocodiles, tuatara, bats, a giant species of turtle which probably had horns, and about 40 different species of bird in total, many of which are quite different to those that you see today.
These birds are being prepared for the Squawkzilla exhibit in the new museum. The conservation team is playing a part in making the objects look as good as they can be for when everyone's welcome back into the new museum. With the new museum we've got much more exhibition space, which means there's the opportunity to bring things to light that people have never seen before.
This exhibit will give you a real insight into what New Zealand might have been like 16 million years ago.